What up, Drift Geeks? My GoPro died, so I'm recording this on my phone for now. But was not expecting to make a video for you guys today whatsoever. But a crazy surprise when I came home from work was waiting for me here. Threw me for a loop. I can't wait to show you guys, but in order for me to do that, I need to clean this whole desk off. So, let's get cleaning. We got a 3D printer again. So yeah, I came home today from work and this was waiting for me as I got here. Apparently my wife and mother-in-law came together and decided to surprise me with this. Apparently I had not been stopping talking about it, especially with the price point of $299, guys. You cannot beat that. So, quick down on the specs. We got the Elegoo, I don't know how to say it, the Centauri Carbon. This thing is dope. It has a 256 by 256 by 256 bed. Gosh, I don't even know where to start on this thing. I finally got a little screen. This is a huge, completely upgrade from the Ender 3 that we used to have and the Ender 3 Pro that my buddy gave me. Shout out to Seth. And so I finally have a legit printer that I can actually print different materials besides PLA. Since it is enclosed, I can print TPU, I can print ABS, I can print PETG, I can even print carbon fiber and start printing car parts, guys. I am so pumped with the possibilities that we can do now. Let's start her up real quick so you guys can see. This thing is dope. It has auto leveling, it has a built-in camera. I can record and do like time lapses for all my prints. I got the filament goes in here. I believe they're going to be announcing pretty soon that I can do multicolor on this thing, which is crazy. But look at this thing. This side is like their textured PEI plate, and then it just pops right out, and then I can switch it over to the other side, and that's pretty much like your pretty much flat surfaced if you don't want any textured on your print, and it goes in so easy. Like if you guys can see, I used to have clips for the other one. This one goes right on in, and that's it. I'm all done. This little door is dope. It's magnetic. Boop. I can take off this if I need to release some of the heat in there if I'm printing like PLA or other materials that I need. Not too much heat stuck in there. It has built-in fans. I am over the moon over this thing. I already 3D printed a little benchy. That's the little test print that this thing came with. It's self-calibrated, honestly, from unboxing it to having it print ready took maybe honestly like 20 minutes, if that. I was taking my time with it because I didn't want to mess up, forget a bolt, whatnot. And then I printed out a benchy, which my old Ender would have taken anywhere between 40 to a little bit over an hour to print, if not longer. Honestly, it's been a while. This thing printed it in 15 minutes without any supports, without any brims. For those of you who know what a brim is in the 3D printing world, gosh, this thing is awesome. In the back, I even had to print a poop chute. It has a poop chute. So I 3D printed a little miniature version of the printer itself. I'm gonna put the time lapse in here real quick so you guys can see the time lapse of itself creating its own poop chute. And look how easy it is to use. Like right now, I need to print, and when I take this off, I think it bolts off to the sides where I can take the glass top, put it off on the sides, as well as a scraper. So I'm going to print the scraper first, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So this is the blade for your scraper along with I think 2 screws so you can screw it down to give you all your little Allen keys, your bolts, to even give you some adhesion glue, some paste, a little, I don't know what to call that, to clean out the nozzles, like a very thin stick. You just shove it in that bad boy. And then another self-cleaner. So yeah, this thing self-cleans. It goes to the back, so I can show you guys real quick. It goes all the way back there, cleans the nozzle out, and then it throws it out the poop chute. That's insane. Okay, so since I'm gonna be putting PLA, I'm gonna take the top off, and I'm a little scared to lean it on its side, so I'm gonna move the tools over to the other side where the filament is. I'm just gonna lay this flat for now. I'm scared to break it because it's glass, but let's check it out inside. Look how cool this is. Let's take out the old filament here, which I would use the scraper to take this out easier. Look at that. Comes right off. I'll throw you away in a bit, but check it out. It even has the built-in light. Check this out. Boop, boop, boop. Dude, I'm so geeking on this thing. And let's see. These are all the preset, what do you call it? Files in here. So that's for the scraper, and that's for the cover holder, and then that's the little mini poop chute thing that I printed. And then for my son, I printed that little benchy. So for now, we need to print the scraper along with the scraper holder. I can create a time lapse for this, which I'll probably upload on this video once it's completed. And yeah, look how easy this is. It's gonna know already what temperature it needs to be in and everything. So I'm on the textured side, textured plate, time lapse, and hit print. That's all we gotta do. The nozzle's gonna clean itself. It's gonna heat itself up. The bed's gonna heat up itself. It already is leveled because it's on these, I don't know what you even call these rails that it's in. It's pretty cool. Then it's belt driven from the sides. You can see all the belts right there are everywhere. You can change out these nozzle heads. This comes with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle head. It's already I forgot what material it was, but look at it go. So this print's gonna take a little bit over an hour. So I'm gonna let the time-lapse magic do its thing while I stare at this for the next hour. I'm kidding, I'm not gonna start it for an hour like the Ender did before. Look, it's gonna extrude a little bit probably right now, create a line. What's it doing? What you doing, dude? It's preheating. It even tells me preheating. I can pause the print, I can stop the print. It connects over Wi-Fi, so I can actually monitor this over my phone. I can turn on the light, turn on a fan if I want to cool it down in there. But the speed of this thing is so cool. There's already a bunch of review videos out there, but I know some of you guys in my Drift Creek follower world really like the 3D printing stuff, so I'm gonna get back to doing more content on this stuff, and hopefully we get to design car parts on the way, or who knows. So I'm pumped, I'm excited, hope you guys are excited. I want to start 3D printing everything. It even has a built-in fan. This is so cool. I'm pumped. Cue the time lapse. Alright guys, so we're back a little over an hour later, and it is now complete. So now I just gotta take that apart, or take it out of there. Look how easy it is to take off too. See if I can record a good video for you guys. Then check out that textured bottom. Look at that. That looks so good. Like a little bit of a layer change there. I don't know what happened there. Maybe it's different heat. The fan might have kicked on all the way around. But other than that, I can't even feel it. I can see it a little bit shinier. That usually happens when the temperature changes inside of this thing. So gotta use it more, test it out more, and then see where it goes. But I'm pumped. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but If you want to see more 3D printing content as we upgrade this 3D printer to make to fit more of our needs and what we're gonna do with it, let me know in the comments. If you think it's cool, shoot me a like. Thanks for watching.